Hello guys, then in the second number there is the rivals. When you click, sometimes the ad will become there are all the codes which are in the accordingly. You can see at the last there are the two expire codes. How to use the codes in the rival and where it is written. The name of the app is Roblox Codes. Yes. Then see you later.